Have you ever wondered how we breathe? Or what happens every time you take in that deep, life-giving breath? Well, the answer lies in the marvel of the human respiratory system, a complex network that keeps us alive and well. So, what is the respiratory system? Simply put, it's a group of organs and tissues that work together to help us breathe. This system allows us to take in oxygen, an essential element for survival, and expel carbon dioxide, a waste product of our bodies. At the very beginning of this fascinating journey is the nose. As you inhale, air enters your body through the nostrils. This air then passes through the nasal cavity, which filters, warms, and moistens the air, preparing it for a safe journey down to your lungs. Next, the air travels down a tube called the trachea, or windpipe. The trachea splits into two smaller tubes called bronchi, each leading to a lung. Inside the lungs, these bronchi further divide into even smaller tubes called bronchioles. It's like a tree branching out, with each branch getting smaller and smaller. At the end of these bronchioles, there are tiny air sacs called alveoli. Each lung houses about 300 million of these minuscule sacs. It is here, in these alveoli, where the real magic happens. Oxygen from the air you've just inhaled passes through the thin walls of the alveoli and into your bloodstream. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste product, moves from your blood to the alveoli, ready to be exhaled out of your body. As you exhale, the journey reverses. The carbon dioxide-filled air travels up from the alveoli, through the bronchioles and bronchi, up the trachea, and finally out through your nose or mouth. And just like that, the cycle repeats over and over every minute of every day without you even having to think about it. So, to recap, the respiratory system is a vital part of our bodies that allows us to breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. It starts with the nose, where air is filtered, warmed, and moistened. The air then travels down the trachea, into the bronchi, and finally into the alveoli, where oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged. Then, as we exhale, the carbon dioxide is expelled from the body, and the whole process begins again. Isn't it astounding? The human body and its systems are truly a marvel. The respiratory system in particular is a testament to the intricate and efficient nature of our bodies. So the next time you take a breath, take a moment to appreciate the complex process that makes it all possible. After all, every breath you take is a testament to the wonder of life itself.